God, wouldn't that... God, I was actually really hoping they would bring us, like, those prompts where it's like...
Oh my God!
What?
I mean, Jesus Christ! I mean, Jesus smoke! I mean, mother of...
Holy cow!
Russell, you okay? Russell? You okay? Russell?
If you guys could see the look on my face right now.
He's like, I can't take this.
BJ broke Brandon. The man is broken.
Into the world.
If you guys could see the look on my face right now.
Questioned him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance.
All right, well.
in the park. He was ranting.
Time to look for clues.
Voices. Had this idea in his
Make sure to cross-check everything.
Check him! Oh, God damn it.
I hate your fucking guts.
Oh, and I just got that too. Wow, keep going, BJ. You're just on a roll. My God.
I hate your fucking guts.
God.
Candles are still lit. He should be back soon.
Yes, those lovely candles.
They smell lovely.
Where are your magic sunglasses?
I don't think you can put them on right now. It's not giving him a prompt.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, literature. With a tall glass of milk.
He likes his milk. Jesus likes milk, don't you know?
Oh, yeah.
How much money would it have cost to buy all those fucking crosses?
Yeah, right?
Then again, it doesn't look like he really has much of anything else. Like, aside from a bunch of Bibles, looks like. Like, he has, like, no furniture in his house. Like, aside from some shelves. Maybe a bed? I don't know. Christ. I mean... that actually wasn't intentional.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, meds.
Lots of pills.
Jesus needs his pills. I don't know. Oh, forgot. Oh,
you know, I'm fairly certain that door wasn't even locked, you
good
asshole.
lord, man. Come on.
Oh, well, if you're not gonna check in here.
It's a bathroom.
Oh, God.
That's what I was gonna say. Is he gonna kick the mirror down?
It's like,
He's gonna close them. Okay, never mind.
It's like, no wonder the police ever found the origami killer. All they do is kick down the door and just look inside a second, then just walk away. No thorough investigation.
That's why I'm here. Oh, wait, no, didn't mean to do that.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh.
That's fucking nasty.
Yeah. I
More
agree.
fucking bills.
Yeah. Ugh. Jeez. Oh, excuse you.
Rude.
Ah, man, dude.
Hope your trench coat catches fire.
I hope your trench coat gets just as dirty as mine did.
Wait, there was a prompt earlier.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. Wait a second.
Stop pushing him, fucker.
My God.
There was a prompt here earlier.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, that's so weird. I don't know why it's not coming up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Leave the door open again. Uh-oh.
What are you doing in my apartment?
Good timing, Nathaniel. Just the man we're looking for.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
Okay, Russell, it's time to cross-examine him.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI.
I'd like to ask you a few questions.
As God is my witness.
Alright.
Relax. Nobody's Nobody's accusing you of anything.
And then Brandon brings out the middle finger.
No, this is not when Jay did do this.
Nathaniel,
Okay.
do you remember where you were
Okay.
last Tuesday?
We're cross-examining the witness here. I mean, wait, witness? No,
I was here. I was praying all day.
Nice, the suspect.
Is there anybody with you?
No. No, I was alone.
Oh, that's not true. Jesus was with you. Come on.
Where do you work, Nathaniel? Do you have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
How do you pay rent? Fairly certain that's not even minimum wage.
You
Yeah.
afraid of something?
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I'm preparing for the end of the world.
What about the voices, Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices? We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? Or we both know who talks to you.
Don't speak that name.
Voldemort?
What does he say to you, Nathaniel?
Blake, what are you doing?
I can't talk about it. You mustn't talk about it.
He orders you to go and find new prey.
I thought Jay froze for a second.
Leave him alone.
More.
You know, Jaden, you're being a little passive aggressive here.
Yeah.
Well, isn't
You'll
he
bring him
supposed to be
here.
doing good cop, bad cop?
He told you to go and find that kid in the park. The
Carter,
boy
shit!
tormented
Are
you
you out of
all
your
night
mind?
long. You wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
Yeah, you may, I don't know, you may want to just step in between the two, you know, get this guy away from the...
So you obeyed them,
Oh,
make them stop. You took that boy with you and you drowned him. Isn't that right? No! Stop!
Yeah, don't just, yeah, Jada, don't just stand there, do something.
Are you gonna confess, you bastard?
Yeah, so... Blake's a cum stain.
Antichrist.
Put down the gun,
I shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell. He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy us. For Christ's sake, shoot!
Shoot Blake.
You're not gonna kill the Antichrist with a revolver, Nathaniel. He's much too powerful for that.
Antichrist my ass! Get that gun out of my face!
Concentrate on my voice, Nathaniel. Listen only to my voice.
I can't, the music's too loud.
Yeah.
You shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord. You shall know divine power.
Oh, God. Okay.
Gently put the gun down on the floor.
Christ all powerful, defend us in our battle with the forces of evil. Protect us from the cunning and wiles of the demon.
Listening to me.
Manifest the power of his empire, and may divine power cast Satan and all the other spirits that prowl the world in search of souls into the darkest depths of hell.
I'm here to help you, Nathaniel. To get rid of the voices in your head, but you have to trust me. Back away, slowly. Now drop the gun. Drop it, Nathaniel.
Oh, boy.
There we go.
Okay. Ooh.
Like a good little Christian.
Put your hands on your head. Turn around.
Oh, no! Oh!
You didn't need to do that.
I panicked!
Yeah, no, I understand why.
Looks
I understand why. So the thing is, you can get him out of there alive.
it was only
He was about to pull out a cross, is the thing.
Oh, my God.
Like, he was about, like, what's gonna happen? Like, yeah, he was only a cross. Like, when he was,
That's the thing. Well, I mean,
like,
that's like,
he reached into his jacket.
yeah, and like you know,
Oh,
and like you, I honestly you hear this a lot with cops and everything. Like with maybe with accidental shootings or something where it's like, you know, when you're reaching
It's a
in,
split second thing.
Yeah,
you
you
just
have-
had that reaction.
yeah, you have no
yeah.
idea what you have no idea what they're reaching for, and it's like they have to assume the worst.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because how many how many times has that happened where you know they're trying to talk to someone, next thing they know they're pulling a gun on them, and it's like it's your life or theirs.
Yep.
Yeah.
Blunder.
Oh my god.
It
Jesus.
wasn't Jaden's fault. Like, the guy was an idiot. So
Yeah.
he didn't need to reach into his jacket like that.
Yeah, no
Because
kidding.
what he was going to do was, like, he was going to pull out the cross, try to shove it into Blake's face, like, trying to get the anti-crack out of his life.
Oh
Because
my
he
God.
thought that Blake was a devil.
Okay. So does that character like would he have played any part in the
No.
story later on?
Doesn't matter. You never see him again.
Okay.
It's like, it's literally cinematic. Like, all it does is affect how Jaden feels later on.
Okay.
Damn it.
Jaden's never killed before. Now he has.
I could have went full pacifist.
Baby!
That's a baby. And no one's answering the door.
What the hell?
That's a rude baby. The baby should be answering the door for me. The hell, baby? I see you right there.
God,
Don't ignore me, baby.
God, these babies, I tell you what. They could be a real something else.
Fucking millennials, so rude these days.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Open that back door.
Hello? I'm here to borrow a cup of sugar.
It's critical for the investigation, alright?
Mrs. Bowles. Anybody home?
Hello?
No, alright. No one's here.
Baby.
Hello, little cutie. Oh? You looking for your mama?
Where'd your mama go?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
It's too hard. I can't stand it. Oh. No. No.
No.
Oh, good lord, dude.
If we open this door.
Wait. Oh, God.
Never mind.
Oh, okay. Alright.
If we open that door.
Oh, please.
Mrs. Bowles? Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
Okay, gotta bust the door down.
Third time's the
Or
charm.
shoulder.
Oh.
I'm sorry?
Oh.
Yeah, she slit her wrist.
She's still alive, though.
Barely.
Mrs. Bowles! Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me?
Jeez.
Wake up. Wake up!
You got her.
Yeah, just don't drop
I
her.
know that's where I'm like, I'm holding the buttons.
Oh, now what do I do? Oh, right.
Let's go to the crib.
Hip check in the crib.
It's time to put the baby to sleep.
Try the bed.
Oh, good lord.
I know this is a serious moment. Why does this trailer look way better than Ethan's apartment?
I don't want to go to the hospital, please.
I have no health insurance.
Okay.
You sound extremely nonchalant for someone who almost died.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, don't move. I'll be right back.
Yeah, that's what we want to do. Take our eyes off her.
Yeah.
I gotta get her bandages.
You'd be in the bathroom, right?
Nope, that way? Nope, that
Yeah,
way.
so I'm like,
what am I
turn
supposed
around, you janky fuck. Yeah, okay, so now wash off the blood.
Yeah.
Get all the bacteria off me.
Yeah. Ew, 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 ew.
Ew.
Ugh.
Come on.
Let's see. I need this, and this, and this.
A little bit of that, some of this, a little bit
A
of that.
little bit of this, a little bit of that,
A little bit of
a
salt,
little bit
a
of
little pepper.
this, a little bit of that.
Maybe a dash of paprika.
Whoa. What are you planning? Jeez.
Stay with me, Susan. Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me? Stay with me. Okay, come on.
Okay, there we go, there we go.
It's like, we got a freaking baby.
Nurse Shelby. And good. And good. Saved the life.
When I can.
Whew. Good save, good save.
Hey, how are you feeling? Okay.
My baby. My baby needs me.
Right.
Are you worried about the baby?
You stay there. I'll take care of the baby.
Certainly weren't worried about her, you know, a few minutes ago.
Do you know what to do? With a baby, I mean.
I'm a private eye. There's nothing I can't do.
Ah.
Her name is Emily.
Gotcha.